At isa pa sa kanya pong naipunto ay pinalakas pa po nila yung kanila pong kritisismo laban naman sa European Union matapos naman po na patawan ng Brussels mga kabombo ng 2.95 billion euro, katumbas po iyan ng 3.45 billion US dollar mula po sa multa mga ito pong Alphabet sa Google matapos sa umano'y anti-competitive conduct sa larangan naman po ng AdTech. Nangako ito po si Trump na direktang tatalakayin ito pong issue lalo na sa mga opisyal ng European Union at nagbanta ng posibleng ganting hakbang sa kalakalan. Tinawag na ito pong si Trump ang naturang aksyon ng European Union na hindi patas at diskriminasyon at sinabing pinag-iisipan po niya na magsasagawa po ng Section 301 investigation kung saan isa po itong legal na hakbang. Ano po sa ilalim po iyan ng 1974 Trade Act na nagbibigay naman po ng kapangyarihan sa bansang Amerika na parusahan ito po mga banyagang patakaran na itinuturing na hindi naman po makatarungan o yung mga masasabi po natin na pabigat ano po sa kalakalan po ng Amerika. Ayon sa European Commission ay pinaburan umano ng Google ang sarili po nitong mga serbisyo sa display advertising technology, lalo na po sa AdX Exchange na naging sentro naman po sa supply chain ng AdTech. Kaya't dahil dito, bilang resulta, mga kabombo, nagkaroon ito po mga kumpanya ng kakayahan po na maningil ng mataas na bayad na nakakasama po sa mga kompetensya po nila at maging sa iba po pong mga publisher. Sinabi po ng tagapangasiwa na ang ganito pong gawain ay nagsimula pa noon pang 2014. So ilang taon na rin po talaga ito pong nakalilipas at inutusan ito pong Google na itigil po ito pong self-preferencing at ayusin po ito pong mga likas na conflict of interest. At binigyan din po mga kabombo ang Google ng 60 days lamang upang mag-submit ng kanila pong plano para po sa pagsunod at karagdagan pa pong 30 days upang ito po ay kanilang maipatupad. Narito pakinggan pa po ninyo ito pong dagdag na bahagi po ng pahayag ni US President Donald Trump.
Thank you very much. We'll start by signing three very important bills, and will you discuss them, please?
We're upset with the European Union because of what's happening with not just Google, but with all of our big companies. They just, hit them with these unbelievable fines. $17 billion and $14 billion. And they use that money to run Europe. It's almost become like common. It's almost become a yearly occurrence, like it's a tax. So Google is a great company. Yeah, Google is a great company, American company. Apple is a great American company, and so many others. And the European Union, I don't know why they do it, but they have been finding them numbers that have been astronomical. More so before I got here. But Apple paid $17 billion a fine in the last year. Apple, $17 billion on a case that a lot of people think they weren't guilty of. And no, I'm going to be speaking to the European Union about it's not fair. Google just got fined $3.5 billion, and they've already paid $13 billion. They're up to $16.5 billion. And people say there was nothing wrong with what they did. It's almost a source of income to run Europe. It's become a source of income. And many other companies too. Mostly tech companies, but we can't let that happen. We had 11,000 murderers dropped into our country. We've gotten a lot of them out. So I think we're going to change that around. It's just not fair. We don't want that to happen to our companies. And if somebody does that, we should be doing it to them. They've got to pay, let them pay us. But you just can't do that to our companies. Yes.